knows the way.
Cabinet Minister Rakam Sangma has urged a cow vigilante group to cancel their planned rally in Shillong aimed at advocating a ban on cow slaughter. Sangma criticized the group as extremists and accused them of lacking in understanding of India's constitution and cultural diversity. He defended beef consumption as part of tribal traditions and claimed that the rally's intent was to create societal divisions. Sangma argued that such actions could lead to communal tensions and disrupt the harmony of local communities.
Brought by some MP are told leader to notice the late P.A. Sangma during that time has depended. What is it? Killing a beef may hurt the sentiment of some religion or some community. But not killing the beef again, not killing the cow also, hurt the sentiments, our tribals, population or cyber community, the belief and the practice. Because the beef, eating of beef is a part and parcel of our tribal culture, our festival, right? So I think these people should read constitutions well. I think I would advise the people be trained well how to read what is said in the constitution. I think they are not fit to be Indians. Those guys who are doing all this drama, all this tamasa, they are not fit to be Indians.